Hi friends, so for How to Kill a Kit with Style reveal, I have been on a mission to use up some kits, right? And all of these kits this time around are from the Not Just for Boys Kit Club. I'm on the design team, but I also buy additional kits. So I'm gonna have a little bit of a mix of them, but let me show you what's in each of these 3 kits, and I'm determined to use up the full-size paper in them. Now there's no way I'm gonna use up like the stencil and mixed media fully in them, but I want to get really nice traction on using up the full-size papers, because that's kind of when I decide that things are killed off. So let me show you what's in this really quickly, and we'll see where we can go with it. All right, so this one has 2 full-size pattern papers. I have Dots and Stripes by Echo Park. This one's Oatmeal Stripe. And this one is called Teal Gingham. Awesome. Then I have this really great polka dot that was called Reindeer Nose Dot. So those are the papers in this. So I guess these are going to be like mini kits making its way into a full kit. Now this is by Carta Bella. It's called Gone Camping. And I have used a lot of these up for the things that were working for layouts that I had, but we'll see how much further I can get. So I have, alrighty, dogs decided to have a ruckus. So I had to stop for a second. So partial sticker sheet, we'll see how that goes. I do have some mixed media pieces. I have this stencil by Echo Park, which is a really good herringbone, as well as this super cool milk paint by Imaginess. So I'm not gonna use them up. It's just not gonna happen. I have 4 of these wood rounds. I've used a bunch of them, but I have more. I have a couple of these. These are so cool. These really cool used stamps. I've got a bunch of these postcards. I need to come up with a plan for them. They're very cool. You know what they'd be really cute as? A little tiny mini book, like a flip book. We'll see how that goes. Oh, wait, there's more. I have 2 of these patches left. They're called Patchums by American Crafts. Let's see what else is in here. I've got a little bit of matting paper, a little bit more of that dot, and I've got lots of flat alphas. All right, so that's the first kit we are going to try to use up. If I use up this kit, meaning I have no full size, no 12 by 12 pattern papers left, maybe that's a way to put it, then I will be going on to this handy dandy kit. So this kit right here only has the 1 full size piece left by Authentique. It's called Mr. 6, and it's a bunch of rulers in this really nice maroon color. So clearly that will be my background, or this will. So this is the other side. So this is really kind of cool. It's like grays and maroons and all of those kind of colors. Now I do have this solid piece right here that is just kind of like a vanilla color, and I have this really cool word that reads brave. Let's see what else. I have a little bit of paper right there. I mean, I did a pretty nice job with this, but I'm trying to kill it off so I can put the other goodies into my general stash. I love to use the packaging, so I can consider that to be a background, or that. 1 more piece. So yeah, I'm gonna come up with a layout for it. It's going to happen. More packaging, and yep, there we go. So for the alpha, I have these right here. These are called Happy Day, and they're glossy puppies. And I had asked for a second set of them because, you know, sometimes you want 2, but they're great. They're black and glossy puffies. And then let's see what's in here. Oh, these are these awesome, like acrylic gold stars. I have those. And then this is a full little iris container. I've got a nice bold green washi. These cute little envelopes that are in the same print as this piece. So, oh, look at this cute stamp. So nice little sentiments and this banner piece. And then I have all of these great Maggie Holmes pieces. I have these die cuts that are exclusive to the club. Look at, oh, that's a cute little Bellamy piece. Look at how cool these are. These are actually little negatives. I mean, you can actually see through them. How cool is that? So I have all kinds of pieces from Maggie Holmes, as well as that stuff. Let's see. I have a wood veneer arrow. I've got this really great big black clip. So definitely good pieces in here. What I think I'll do is I think I'll use my first kit, and I'm going to keep it handy because we have a plan for the end of the month with some of that stuff. And oh, do you see I have paper clips and a really big black clip. And then I will be able to use stuff with the next kit and the next kit, and then we'll see what happens at the end of the month. So this is my second kit. Let me put that all away. And then if I finish this up, I will show you the third one I'm going to look at. And then I would end up feeling ever so happy that I have killed off 3 kits this month. All right, let's see. Here is my last kit. This was the July main kit from that kit club. It was called Chill. I don't always remember the names. My first one I think was called The Great Outdoors. I guess I do remember a little bit of it. So I've used lots once again. Let me move the little bits to the side. Okay, so my goodness. All right, lots of bits. All right, so my full-size pattern paper I have left is this one right here. It's by Bo Bunny Back to Basics, Forever Young. And it's called Forever Young Laugh. So really, really nice deep orangey coral on this side and turquoise on this side. So I'll have to pick one of the sides and just go for it. I've got a nice big piece of this Vicki Boutin paper right here, and it's turquoise on this side. Makes me wonder, no, that wouldn't happen. But I like these two together. I've got a nice size piece of this Bo Bunny Pop Quiz report card paper. So that's super usable. So, I mean, clearly these kits look great together. Everything matches really well and all of that stuff. But I have all of the bits still from when I worked on this. Now, I have from Bro & Co. from Simple Stories, a lot of the sticker sheet left. I love that. That's what my eyeglasses look like. Where are my eyeglasses? See? That is kind of funny. Okay, so I have sticker sheet with lots of fun ideas. We go to a place called Sheila's for Mexican takeout, and that might be kind of fun to do kind of a taco night thing. We'll see. Packaging. The Alpha is from Pink Fresh, super cool. So it is a light blue puffy. And yeah, it's all, Alpha is no numerical. We've got this really great set. They look kind of like buttons, but they are, they look like Vans shoes. So those are super cute. Mixed media piece, we have this really great stamp, and we have banners, arrows, and circles. I've got some enamel dots left. I've used some, but I definitely have more. I have the die cut still left. It's called Wild and Free. So I have that, and I also have this piece of vanilla cardstock that I can use. I have, oh, but wait, there's more. I have a bunch of these wood veneers, and they have arrows as well as stars. And then finally, I do have some left of the Simple Stories Bro & Co. pieces, and this is what it originally came with, and I have maybe half of those left. So that will be my How to Kill a Kit with Style kit, which is actually 3 kits this month, using up bits and pieces. Oh, I have a really nice black and tan trim. Using up lots of bits and pieces from my Not Just for Boys kit clubs from past kits. And I'm hoping to get some traction and have less of these kits just sitting there looking at me if I can plow through them a little bit. I hope you like what I'm going to use this month. I'll have all the links down below for the other creators that are taking part this month, and I'll see you guys ever so soon with another video. Bye-bye.